Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to install the external Gunbot GUI that you can buy for $75 I think, and with my discount code 10% off, so you guys can go ahead and use that in the description. But anyways, I'm going to tell you guys how to use it. So first off, what you guys are going to need to do is download Gunbot v5. So this is the newest version that just came out last night, so that's version 5.0.5. So you're going to download whatever version you want for whatever operating system. Then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to buy the separate Gunthi GUI, which I have a discount code for in the description. You just go on their website and you can buy the license for this. And so then once you're on here, you can go ahead and download for whatever operating system. Now once you download it, what you're going to get is you're going to get this file, which is the Gunbot folder. And once you extract the GUI, you're going to get these two files, the GUI and the Gunthi GUI Windows 64. So pretty much what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the GUI folder into the Gunbot folder and the Gunthi executable into the Gunbot folder. So once they're in here, it's going to look like this. You're going to have your config, the Gunbot GUI, and everything else. And so all you're going to need to do is open the Gunthi GUI, accept it for any antivirus, and then once you have it running, this is what's going to pop up on your browser, and then you can go ahead and set up the Gunbot GUI. And so pretty much I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what mine looks like on my VPS. Go over some of the features that this GUI has, and some of the reasons why I like it better than the normal new updated GUI. Some things that I think are pretty cool. Okay, so anyways, first off, you can see here you have your normal console for the pair. So I'm just going to be showing you Digibyte, but for all the other pairs it looks almost exactly the same. So anyways, you can click this button right here, and then you have all the options in terms of like what you'd see in the normal console for version 5. Next you have this chart, which pretty much shows you where the buy and sell is compared to the Bollinger Band, and it puts a dot on any trades that the bot makes, pretty much. And then we have this last section here, which is pretty much just like how many profitable trades the bot has made with that pair. So anyways, so that's pretty much all the settings there are here to see, the specific pair. Obviously there's a balance of how many of that coin, the buy and sell target, any errors, profit and loss, ticker, what price it has, and then pretty much we also have the pair configuration here, which pretty much allows you to add any specific setting you want for that pair. So just for example, say on Digibyte, I wanted, the limit for my Bollinger Band setting is 0.05 Bitcoin. I could put in a custom one and then hit save. And that's pretty much how you could change settings for specific pairs on this one. And you can deactivate and activate pairs with this little check mark right here. And then up top here, if I click the logo up here, then it will start or stop Gunbot. So that's pretty much how you start or stop it on the GUI. Then we have the Gunbot configuration right here. So this is pretty much where you can just see the overall settings. These are the more standard settings for Gunbot. This isn't the settings for Bollinger Band or anything. And then next on the right here, this is where you have your settings for Bollinger Band or any of the other configurations that you might want to have on the bot. And then next we have you can add pairs, reload pairs. You have a two-factor authenticator to get onto it. Edit server configuration, GUI log. So let me show you guys what happens whenever you add a pair. So pretty much you get all this information. So I trade on Bittrex only. So if I wanted to add this pair, I could just click on it, choose the strategy, and then add the pair. So that's pretty much how it works, and it'll show up just like this. So pretty much why I think this is more useful is because it has the buy and sell marks, so you can more visualize how your bot is doing. I like having charts to actually see what's happening. I think it's a lot easier to see in terms of like what's going on with your bot and what settings are doing what, and how certain pairs are doing. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you want to buy it, make sure you use my code in the description, and see you in the next video.